Hello, everybody. My name is Logan Steese, and this is Lab 4.1. In this lab, we are utilizing the Social Engineers Toolkit to spoof a website and harvest some credentials using EtterCap. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and start up set and pick out a website that you want to clone. I just chose facebook.com. And so once we load up set, we want to go ahead and select 2 for website attack vectors. And then we want to select 3 for credential harvester attack. And then all we have to do is set our URL that we want to grab and point it back to our Kali box. Once that's set, we have to do some ARP poisoning as well as some DNS spoofing to get the victim to go to the website. In order to do this, we have to use EtterCap. And first things first, what we have to do is we have to edit the configuration file for EtterCap to set our user ID as 0. That way it's able to operate on the data link layer. Once we do that, we have to enable the, not enable, but we have to set our A records as well as our pointer records in the DNS settings. So here we are, we use Facebook. Our A record is the Kali box and so forth. Once we do that, we can go ahead and launch EtterCap, and then we want to scan for hosts. And once you scan all of your hosts, what you're trying to do is you're trying to identify your default gateway as well as your host to attack. And you are trying to convince your victim's ARP table that you are the default gateway. And by doing that, once you've identified the 2, mine's a standard Class C network. So here are my 2, target 1 and target 2. We load up DNS spoofing, the plugin, we activate it, and then we begin to poison the ARP cache. So I attacked the computer that I'm recording this on, and to prove that the ARP poisoning did work, what we can see here is that 192.168.1.1 has the same MAC address as this right here, which only means one thing. Bingo. So once we did that, my naive self went over to facebook.com. Here, we'll do it again. Wait for it to load. There it is. No. Oh, I actually think I stopped something. Failed demo. Okay, regardless, you go to facebook.com. It's going to redirect you to a cloned website. And when you do log in, you obtain their credentials. Let me find this. Here it is. So you can see that the we got a hit. I kind of spammed enter a couple times because it's getting frustrated. And then here you can see that, where's the credentials? Yeah, here we go. Mark Zucky at facebook.com logged in with the password of Smokin' Meats. So my name's Logan. This is Lab 4.1. Thanks for watching.